up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Come on, we gotta go. You guys go. I gotta get stuff ready.
Why am I still in my jump?
What happened?
Why am I still in my jump?
Come on, guys.
Oh my god.
We gotta go.
Where did we go last night?
I don't know.
Let me take off my mask. I was wearing this yesterday.
Come on, guys.
I was just playing around yesterday.
Guys, whoa, what is that? What is that?
Whoa, there's a portal.
It's a portal. Should we go in it? Let's go. First one to go in it gets $100.
Yo, Jake. Okay. Before we go into it,
Ugh.
I have to take off my jumpsuit. Whoa.
Come on.
Guys,
Whoa.
guys, there's high levels of radiation in here. Get on your jumpsuits.
Oh, no. Oh, what is? I can't get back out. We can't get back out.
There's high levels of radiation in here.
We can't get back out. What is? Go check it. Go check it. Wait. Hello? Go! It's coming! Whatever it is. Everyone, go! Ah!
Damage to it. Guys, it's coming!
Okay, stay right here. Oh my god. Give me a hug, I'm so scared.
We have to find a way out.
There's no way out.
There's no way out. Or is there? We can find a crate to jump on. Wait, there's a hiding spot over here to jump on.
Where is it?
Right there. We can't break out here. We have to go find a
Hey!
Both them.
Take that.
A monster.
Oh, too bad. I got confused because you're just. Go!
Pretend you're moving and then Guys, I found a way out. Michael.
Guys, stay back. I got a gun and I'm not afraid to use it.
Bro,
Bow!
Bro, stop moving, bro. Stop moving.
Michael,
Stop moving and it won't hurt you.
I didn't know they could talk. No!
You're not. I found a way out.
Bo's dead. No! B.O.'s dead.
Jake. Run.
Wait.
Pretend you heard the sound and saw me fly out.
Oh my god.
What?
Gah!
How did you do that? Pretend you saw like an
Oh.
empty tentacle
Oh.
like wrapped around my neck and it had me tied.
Oh god.
I remember him.
Finally,
Wait,
we got
hold on.
out of there.
Jake,
I thought we were
Is that just me or do
die.
you recognize him?
Come on, guys. Let's go check anybody if they're here.
Let's go. Wait, do you guys hear footsteps?
I kind of do.
Oh, I hear some.
I hear them over
yeah.
here. What the?
I finally found people!
Oh my god.
Oh, hey.
No way.
Dude, how long have you been here?
I don't know.
I've been here, I was just like walking and like I fell through the ground. Now I'm in
He
a
doesn't even
weird
remember
place.
his name anymore.
Yeah, I don't. Did that sound free? Wait, did I no clip through the ground?
I think we don't. We just went into a portal here, though. We just went.
Yeah, I fell through it. I didn't
Guys,
mean to jump in.
guys. Over there! What is that? Go!
That thing! I didn't know. Go!
Bo! No, B.O. He turned into a monster. I'm hiding. He can't see me.
Get a golden crystal. It's secure.
Yeah. He's back to normal. Bob, wake up. B.O., wake up.
What happened?
Follow us. We need to find an escape.
Dude, you literally turned into an entity. You tried to kill us, my brother.
We need to find a certain crystal to get us out of here.
Why am I green?
The blue guy. I don't know what your name is, but
You turned into an entity. I kind of like it.
yo, green guy. I don't know what your name is either, but yo, go look over there and find see. Tell me if you find a good one. Y'all test out if they're good. If it's like really, really, really loud, that's good.
Wait, I found one! It's this one over here!
Let me see. Okay, it's the blue person, whatever his name is.
Yeah, this
Yep,
is
that's
fun.
going. Collect it. Okay. Oh, yep, this one. Collect it.
What am I doing?
Let's see.
Seeing rich quest, frying the roundest crystals. The littlest!
Oh, this one. Oh, yep, all of
Wait,
these.
I think
Okay,
I've
I've got every single one. I got every single one.
Wait, there's one more. We can finally leave.
This one.
These
Come on, guys.
These three.
Wait a second. Wait. Hold on.
Missing something.
I feel like we're.
Right here, almost.
Bob, are you okay?
Guys.
Bob, I don't think it worked on Bob. He's kind of not. Guys, okay, Bob, be careful. Bob, you don't. I know, but like, you look kind of sick a little. B.O. is not looking okay. Okay. Oh shoot! Run! It didn't work. It didn't work.
Pretend I passed out. Pretend I passed out.
No. Down. No.
Too good.
No, you're okay. Here, I'll give you something. Here. No! Stay away from him. Here's the cure.
Wait,
Here.
I think I'm about to pass out again.
Here. Drink this. No! Drink this.
When he got up and
Drink this.
When he got up and entities.
Drink it. Drink it.
What happened? Oh, I don't feel too good.
Guys, you're okay. Here. You're okay. Come on.
Pretend.
Wait, no, guys. Michael, you okay?
Yeah. Yo, what happens if I touch this?
Don't touch it. No. Don't. No.
Ow!
Did you forget what cactuses were? Get off of there.
That was blood.
Oh, you're fine.
I felt really hard. Bro, I'm speaking blood from my hand. Give me something. Blood from my hand. You haven't eaten a banana? Bro, I'm feeling this. We haven't eaten forever.
Here.
Jake.
This might help.
Jake. Suck it. Lick it.
What? Okay, guys, eat it.
Oh, that tastes so
Eat
good,
it.
bro.
Eat it now. You're gonna be hungry.
No. Yo, pretend you saw me touch a cactus and you were trying to warn me not to.
No. You are stupid.
There's blood from my hand.
Guys, it's fake. Really?
Oh.
Where did the blood come from?
That one down there was real. That one down there was real. Hey guys. You gotta give me some. Why is my hand's bleeding? Okay, why is your hands right there?
Okay, go follow me.
Whoa. Jake.
You're fine.
Doesn't feel good enough. I broke it.
Guys.
Can you snap it?
Gah!
Chicken box. Pretend you heard on the
Come on now. Come on, guys. Get up.
Everybody.
Let's get up here.
I don't feel too good about this place. I don't feel too good about this place. Ayo, wait! Jake. Why are there so many holes, too? Guys, help. Wait, what? He's stuck in the cactus!
Somebody, I'll go get him. Everyone go up there. I'll go get him. Everyone go up there. Those are like the powerful crystal.
Get up there.
Here, I'll help you.
I found it easy.
Ow! Okay.
Ow.
3. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Here, I'll help that. Let me wrap that up.
You hit him, Bob. Thank you.
Alright, follow me. Don't touch any cactus.
I'm hungry.
There's some food up there. We don't know. Don't touch any cactus because we don't know if it's real or fake.
I'm gonna go get food.
Alright, come on. It's up here.
Hey guys, Bob doesn't look
Alright.
Blue, you just made it worse. Are you okay?
Okay.
Yo, he has no hand now.
No! Oh my god! Guys, the green guy just fell! He's dead! Wait, no, I can help him. I can help him. Don't fall down, no!
On him.
Yeah!
Wait, guys. Why is that wall there? Why is that wall like that?
Oh shoot.
Hey, dude.
Why are the walls turning red? Guys, run! No! I'm sorry. No!
I need help.
Michael, you okay? You're like coughing up blood. Michael, no, Michael. Come on, please. Michael, don't worry. Come on, follow me. I know safe place.
But I'm drinking something.
Moment of true jump through. We have to make sure if we teleport somewhere. 3, 2, 1. What the? How are you up there?
Wait, I spawned late.
Bob, where's Bob? Bob?
Wait, Bob,
You okay?
You okay?
Wait, he doesn't look okay. Here. Watch out! No! Watch out! I can't get out! No, he's not. That's not Bob. That's not Bob. Michael, get out!
No.
Everyone, run away! Run away! Run away! No! Michael! He got stabbed! No!
I see another teleportation.
We can't go to mountains. We can't go there. We can't go there. Oh no!
I see safety.
Bob can't talk now.
Safety.
Bob can't talk now. No, 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 no.
Juke him.
Oh yeah, use our skills that we learned.
Oh, I juked him.
No, Michael, close the door.
Behind you.
Michael, no, you're dying. You're dying. Oh my God.
His demonic language.
Ah! Ah! He can't talk though. He can't talk. He only talked for like a bit.
No.
No, he can't talk. He can't talk. He can't talk. He can't talk. He can't. No, no, no. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Ah!
Language. 2 hours later.
No, my God. Why are y'all saying weird stuff? Are y'all getting infected too?
No. I'm right up here with him.
No. Bob, go. Ah! 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 No, 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 no. What? What? Ah! What is that? No, it's a Yeti. I've seen one of those. I'm sorry, Michael. Michael!
I'm not dead. What are you talking about?
You're not Michael either. Dude, that guy's losing his mind. The blue guy's losing his mind. He's been in here for so long.
I'm on the slide. Wait, I've been here before. I promise I've been here before.
Are you sure?
I was a kid. Yeah.
So you've been here since you were a kid? How did you survive?
Guys.
Hey, no, Michael, I'm sorry. You're gonna die. There's no way I can help you. There's no way I can help you. You're gonna die.
If you get me meds, I can live.
You're losing too much blood. There's no meds in here. No, no, Michael's dead. There's no way he's dead now. No, 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 no.
You know what?
Michael's gonna. No! No! Michael's dead. Come on, come on. Shh, be quiet. We have to. Oh, I don't feel good. Oh.
No.
Help! I don't like this place. Why did this happen? Why did this happen?
I think I'm gonna be the last person alive.
Oh, no.
I'm
You're losing blood. What happened to you? What is happening? I killed him. I killed him. Pow! 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 He's dead. He's dead. If you want me, You're gonna. What the? That was. Oh my god, dude! I just had the craziest dream.
Well, you were in mine, dude.
You were
That was
mine.
so creepy, dude.
There's
I
no
was about
way.
to die. Like, I was literally crawling on the ground.
And
This
I
guy
like
kept
the
dragging
dream
me,
was like we
throwing
knew
me.
people called Bob and Bo and like a green guy. But there was a blue guy
There's
that was
like
lost
a
there.
Entity, yeah.
Yeah. It was called the backrooms, I think.
It's like a sunny hat.
But come on.
BO, right?
Wait. Oh my god, our brain was playing tricks on us. We thought that was a portal to
Wait,
a place.
what if this is something that's gonna happen? What if that's the future?
It's not a portal, see? If it was, it would be glowing. But come on. This is the end of our dream, like the end of our dream, because that was an experience, a crazy experience. But
Dude, I literally thought I was gonna die.
yeah, you can go back to your job though, because we both have a separate job.
Hurt.
I don't know. See you later, though.
Do you?
Hopefully, we can go visit mom and dad in a few weeks. See ya.
My work is over here. I just clean them.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna go in the house. I have work in a bit, so. Alright, see ya.